The thing about being single is you should cherish it, because in a week or a lifetime of being alone, you may only get one moment. One moment when you're not tied up in a relationship with anyone. A parent, a pet, a sibling, a friend. One moment when you stand on your own. Really, truly single. And then it's gone.
Hey girl, welcome back to Girl Talks Geek. If you're new here, I'm Nikki, and here on my channel, I like to embrace both my girly and geeky sides with movie and TV inspired looks, plus plenty of geeky fun. Sound good? Hit the subscribe button and get ready to add so much chic to your geek. Today we're tackling this super cute look from the rom-com How to Be Single. Alice, played by Dakota Johnson, she needs to figure out how to be okay on her own before she commits to any relationship. We've all been there. It's like a rite of passage for every female. And even though her love life is a complete mess, her style is on point. So we're gonna hop into it and start recreating this look.
So my face is ready to go. I've got my HD foundation and primer, but I do need to set it. So I'm trying this Huda setting powder. I love it. It takes away the shine, sets everything. I do want to add a little bit of that youthful glow. So I have my NYX Illuminator, and then I am topping that with like a shimmery bronzer. I'm really going for young and glowy here. I'm also doing some bright blush to have that flush, that romantic flirty flush. And I'm just going to do a quick brush over my lashes for a little shimmer. And now for the smoky eye. All I'm doing is adding a pencil and smudging it out with a little black eyeshadow. Really natural, but it does help enhance the eye. And then I'll brush out my eyebrows and add some fake lashes. So I'm blowing them so they get tacky and stick when I put them on and they don't make a giant gluey mess. After that, I am using this cool new product, is Urban Decay Mousse for your lips. It essentially stains them and it doesn't go anywhere if you're kissing on Valentine's Day. I added some lip venom and I'm in pain. It does plump, it does work, but it definitely does sting as well. And so I'm just gonna smudge out a little more under my eye, and there we go, all set. Let's hop into the hair. Okay, so for my hair, it's a tragic mess. I'm gonna need some dry shampoo. I'm greasy, I'm gross. This is like 3-day-old hair maybe. Real talk. So I'm spraying it down. I'm gonna rub out the roots to help the dry shampoo absorb it and not leave any residue. Then just a quick brush through. We're gonna make some loose, bouncy, natural curls. I'm also going for a really deep side part. It's a lot more romantic when you take your part further to the side and flip your hair over. So all you'll need to do here is grab a 1-inch curling iron and make your way around your hair. If you notice, I'm starting at the mid shaft of the hair and rolling up to the root. And then I bring in the ends of the hair at the last maybe couple of seconds because the ends are so dry and the mid shaft to the root is pretty healthy. So it gives you a more consistent curl throughout your hair. And now I'm just using a little balm to help calm some of the frizz and give the curls a lot of shape. And then I do need some misting shine spray here. My hair is a little fried and dry, so I need to get that shine back in it.
Before I get dressed, I did want to chat about this super cute outfit. So I was able to find a high-waist gingham skirt, a lot like the one Alice has in the film. I think some differences are that it has these little ruffle accents. That's just a personal preference. I love ruffles. It also offers kind of an extra coverage over the tummy if that's like a problem area for you. It is a problem area for me, so I love having little ruffles over this pooch. And I found a red crop top, just a basic red shirt pretty much, cropped short to match the high-waisted skirt. In the film, she has hers tucked in, but I thought it would just be a lot easier to have it cropped and not create that extra bulk under the skirt. And believe it or not, both of these really cute items were on Amazon and pretty inexpensive. I will of course link them below for you.
And here is the final look, glowy and flirty for Valentine's. And yes, I've got some special effects. Your girl is getting better at editing. So here's the ruffle skirt I mentioned. It does minimize the pooch, but if you can get some Spanx, I wish I had some. I would recommend them. It does just highlight the tummy area because of the high waist and the material that it is. But yeah, I'm really happy with how this look came out. It's so perfect for Valentine's Day. I think even for spring, this is just a cute little like picnic outfit. So yeah, I hope you guys like how it turned out.
All right, gorgeous. I hope you enjoyed recreating this flirty look. If you are spending Valentine's Day alone, embrace it. You're beautiful, bold, and you are absolutely the chicest geek that I know. So go ahead, hit that subscribe button so we can hang out again soon.